Yes, man.
First of all, let us take a moment to pray for the career that belonged to Sha'Carri Richardson. As quickly as that prayer ended, so too was her career. And we as Jamaicans, we have decided to take it upon ourselves that when we are making reference to Sha'Carri and her career, the word career will no longer be spelled C-A-R-E-E-R, but rather C-A-R-E-A-R because of her placement in that race. But your name, Richardson. Yeah, take a reach out to your name, because that was a poor performance. As a matter of fact, you have to change your name to Sha'Carri Jackson, because instead of running forward, you moonwalk right to last place. Michael Jackson would be proud, but Whitney Houston standing beside him would be singing, "Stoop, stoop, stoop, stupid! You must be stupid if you think you could have beat the Jamaican sprinters." After you talk all that dookie, all that nonsense like Kanye on the Lift Yourself track, only if it come in last, hype up the whole America. Let me get nervous a little bit. Only if it come in last, the scammer them there. We all know what you like to puff, and your chest should not have been included in that. And in the words of a most prolific songwriter, who gassed them up? Come make we bust the cylinder. So said, so it was done. Last in a year. Miss Chimney Lungs, the only place that you might be able to outsmoke these Jamaican ladies is in a hookah lounge. And you notice me say might, because remember saying that we are Jamaicans. In a track and field, we lead. And when it comes to weed, we smoke everything except the stem and the seed. I will see it. We say you come out on the field and try and match the Jamaican ladies swag. Come out with the big wig and all them something there. But what you need to understand is the hairstylists of these women, you know, are not just hairstylists, you know. You understand? The Pinky from downtown and Munchie, them design the hairstyling so that they are aerodynamic. But you just come out there with a big old wig and a long fingernail. And that's how we thing work. We hairstylists, them scientific in a way them a do. So from you go for your hairdresser and she just want so hairdresser, and from there so you lose your race. And then after your race, you come and chat off your mouth and talk about the 6 fastest. 6 fastest and come in 9th. Me say all if me get 5 in a maths. Me know said that no pencil out. Remember say we in this feud for years, you know. When you track and field thing, yeah. And it's like we don't learn. We do not learn. Because when you lose, we not gonna make you just go on about the business. Oh, you lose, making go on. No, you're gonna get all of it. Every single drop out of the jar, we are creep you out, we are wash you out, we are make sure so you get it. If you did just humble yourself and be quiet, you know, say none of this will go on. Remember, say one next American did in a race, you know. And we not say nothing about her. We probably didn't even do her name. But you, oh God, man, you should have just humble yourself. When it comes to athletics and being on the track with Jamaicans, you see, be prepared to get rolled up, lit, and burned right to the tail. And I'm sure that is something you know a little bit about, eh? And as much as you know Americans love to violate in the track and field space, we are good people in Jamaica, so we're not going to just make you go empty-handed just so. You understand, Sha'Carri? So as the Jamaican women did with their gold, silver and bronze medal at the Olympics, yeah, the Tokyo 2021 Olympics. And as them are going to do with them like a Diamond League trophy and them thing there, I want to give you something, Zane. Hold the Elia. And are most deserving, your fucker you. Sha'Carri big talk go a Diamond League. Only fi come in last. Big up the Jamaican ladies them for making us proud. For showing up when we needed them to. Like the Avengers, eh? Jesus, oh God, man. Mama Thanos come out and get her head chop off clean. Clean.